everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be reviewing the Thirsty palette, as you've probably seen from the title. I also got one of the lip scrubs too, and I have so many of his lipsticks, so I didn't get any of the new lipsticks, but I'm sure they're just as sickening. The formula is just as good. So without further ado, let's get into the Thirsty palette. So just starting off with packaging, the packaging is really good. I think that with every launch, Jeffree's packaging is a little bit better. We love an improving sister. Oh, but these are the shades. I'm sure you guys have all already seen them. They are really, really gorgeous. I'm super excited about these peachy shades. These two shades actually look a lot different. I've seen in his video and all of his pictures that they look really similar. In my lighting, it looks like they're really similar too, but Splash is definitely a completely different color and undertone than Submerge. And yeah, I'm really excited. I'm not going to do swatches just because I feel like everyone does them and swatches are stupid in my opinion. Starting off with Taste Buds, I'm using this in my crease. This shade is barely making any powder in the pan, in the unit carton. So I guess this isn't going to be a subculture moment. But I can tell that this is kind of packed in really hard. I feel like even with his highlighters, it's still really packed into the component. As you can see, the colors come out fine, the pigment's there. I'm only taking about 2 dips and just going over the corners. This is a transitional shade, so I don't want it to be too vibrant. I'm trying to keep it as neon as it is in the actual pan. This is a really, really pretty salmon color. Now we're going with the shade Bitch. This one has a little bit more kick up, actually a lot more kick up. The first shade had none, but I don't really mind it. This is a really, really pretty neon coral. Yeah, these colors definitely complement each other very, very, very well. I'm really going for that winged out moment. Okay, I can't get this to blend. I know neon shades are really hard to develop, but I'm even taking the lighter shade part. I can't get it to blend that well. Now I'm going to take the shade Stroke and just apply this on the outer corner. I really want my socket to be really nice and defined, and also the bottom lash line. Now going back in with Bitch and blending this out. I think because these eyeshadows are so pigmented that I made the mistake of going in right here. That's just a lot of kickback. But when you guys get this palette, just be sure to really be very cautious of the pigmentation. Okay, so I just cut my crease and I'm going to take Quench, which is the beautiful yellow shade, and just pack that on my lid. This yellow is very, very, very pigmented. Oh my gosh. That is everything. It's probably one of the best yellows I've ever used actually. It's not making it look really weird and dry. Looks really good. Now I'm gonna go in with the shade Filthy Rich. It's an old gold, it's greenish gold. And I'm just gonna pop this in the inner corner. Okay. Oh yeah, wait, I think you said these are best applied with your finger. Yeah. That's definitely better with your finger. That's really pretty. It's a glitter. I wonder if I go in with a really dense, bigger brush and disperse it. Oh, that is so pretty, you guys. Okay guys, I did the other eye off camera and applied some lashes and mascara. I'm loving the way this is looking so far. I think with the palette, you really need to take into consideration that there is no powder and that there's no kick up. So you have to be very cautious of how much you're putting on the brush. I'm so used to seeing that pick up and kind of knowing how much I'm getting on my brush, so be very careful. And that's why this eye looked really messy in the beginning, but I love the way it's turning out now. So let's go in with a Velour liquid lip scrub. I'm going with Orange Gummy Bear. Sounds literally delicious. I love the Lush ones, so it smells really good. I think it smells more like a it smells like an air freshener, one of those Glade ones you put into your wall, the tropical one. It tastes good. So I see why Jeffree actually eats this. This is actually really good. I just stuck in there, real good. Yeah, I like this. I don't know, it doesn't really taste chemically. It tastes just fake, which I mean that's what it is. Now I'm gonna go in with Watermelon Soda, which is actually from, I think this is last year. No, this is 2 years. ago. This was 2 years ago. I actually bought the whole collection. Yeah, just like looking at it, it is a little bit more streakier than usual. But I think it's because it's, I mean, 2 years old. Like, this is old. And this isn't part of the new collection either. I actually didn't like that color at all with this, so I think I'm gonna go in with Mannequin, but I think, like, I'm into that K-pop thing, you know what I'm talking about. So this is the completed look. I love the way they turned out. I think the eyeshadows are really good. Like I said, super pigmented. Just be very careful with it. Don't use too big of brushes. I actually love the shades that I use as blush today as well. I use Peach Goddess. I use Mannequin for the lip with watermelon soda, like in like right here area, just so I can get that K-pop look. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want me to review anything else, just let me know. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time.